Good YouTube, it's your boy Danny, aka Puerto Rican Face Mendoza, in the building with a quick ass video, literally quick. This is about the special announcement. Yeah, there's going to be a regionals at the Spokane Northtown Mall. Yes, that's right, Northtown Mall in Spokane, Washington. Nuts! We finally, after 6 years of asking for it, we finally got it. So I want to thank the comic book shop for definitely putting their efforts, putting the best foot forward to get us a regional. This is awesome. This is huge for Yu-Gi-Oh! You know, hopefully our shops in this area people will get to see what they're like and start coming out to tournaments more. Definitely want to thank the efforts of Roy and the comic book shop once again. Can't ask for nothing better. So everybody, please go. We need 100 people. I know my whole team's gonna be there. So, you know, we need at least 100 people, man. Let's prove to Konami that our area is definitely worth it. I know Seattle people will come up, do everything I can. I'm gonna let Michael Boyd know. So that way, hopefully, they can spread the word in Seattle. I'm tired right now, so I wasn't gonna post this up until it was official, but somebody on the fucking Spokane Yu-Gi-Oh group, no names, Chris Mitchell, stupid asshole, mentioned it on the page when he shouldn't have, because I told him not to, because we wanted to make sure it was legit. But it looks like as long as the comic book shop signs a contract, stating an obligation that they're going to do it, then we should be good for November 9th. That should be like an 8 o'clock start time probably, because regionals is all day. I don't know like how that thing works, because the mall's usually closed in the morning, but I'm pretty sure that they'll make it work. They'll probably get the mall to allow us to open it early. So badass, I love it. Hopefully we'll get more regionals in Spokane after this, and then I won't have to fucking travel as far anymore. Just gotta step right out my front door. Peace, everybody. Much love. F you, Chris. Kyle, you suck for telling him, because I told you not to, and I knew he was going to shout it out. So peace, everybody. Laters. Puerto Rican Face Mendoza, out the building. Watch The Walking Dead. Fucking rocks. Peace.